Welcome back to another episode of Magic Indicator Strategies. If you're a technical trader looking for the edge that will take your trading game to the next level, you're in the right place. We break down the most innovative, impactful tools in the world of trading and show you how to use them to stay ahead of the market. In today's episode, we're taking an in-depth look at a game-changing trend indicator that's making waves in the trading community. It's called Standardized MACD Heiken Ashi Transformed. This powerful tool brings together two of the most effective indicators used in technical analysis, the Moving Average Convergence Divergence and Heiken Ashi candles. By combining these indicators, the Standardized MACD Heiken Ashi Transformed helps traders identify trend directions and market sentiment more accurately, while also providing insights into overbought and oversold conditions. Let's pull back the curtain and explore how you can leverage this cutting-edge tool in your trading strategy. To install the indicator on the price chart, simply click on the Indicators tab and search for Standardized MACD Heiken Ashi, transformed by QuantiLux. This indicator works best on shorter time frames such as 5, 15, and 30 minutes. Currently, we're looking at the Ethereum price chart on the 15 minutes time frame. So how can we use this tool to analyze price action? Well, the simplest way is to use the MACD Heiken Ashi indicator as a buy and sell indicator. You might have noticed that when Heiken Ashi candles reach the overbought zone and turn from blue to red, a sell signal is given. This suggests that the current bullish trend has come to an end, and it's time to look for sell opportunities. Conversely, when Heiken Ashi candles enter the oversold zone and turn from red to blue, a buy signal is given. We can look for buying opportunities as the market is expected to reverse due to decreased selling pressure. Even though this strategy works pretty well in the majority of cases, it still needs to be optimized. Heiken Ashi candles are paired with MACD for a reason other than to make the indicator look cool. It is done to filter out early Heiken Ashi signals that often result in losses. For example, signals like this, when a trend hasn't ended, yet the Heiken Ashi produces a reversal signal. It is not in our best interest to follow signals like this. This is why we need to find a way to eliminate them. So, before considering a Heiken Ashi signal as valid, we'll have to take a quick look at the MACD histogram. For instance, here the indicator gives a sell signal. If we look down at the MACD, we see the bar next to the signal is blue. A sell trade should not be initiated in this case. It is also not necessary to wait for the histogram bars to turn red. Simply skip the signal and wait for a better opportunity. A better opportunity we're talking about is when the Heiken Ashi signal appears on a red MACD histogram. The success rate of these signals is much higher. Take a look at a few more examples. The only downside to this strategy is that such signals don't occur that often. You need to be patient to find opportunities like this. In order to increase the number of valid entries, you will need to customize the indicator's settings. In the Inputs section, you can find at least 3 parameters that can affect how fast the indicator is. For example, if we change the signal length from 9 to 6, the MACD will react much faster to price changes. Sometimes this is a good idea because now you're able to catch trends like this. However, the primary goal is to eliminate losing trades. Trading is all about managing risks and decreasing loss chances. That's why adjusting the indicator settings isn't enough. We need to apply at least one more indicator to the chart to complete the strategy. There are many tools out there you can try with the Standardized MACD Heiken Ashi Transformed indicator. It works well with support and resistance indicators, trend-following moving averages, buy and sell indicators, etc. If you're a beginner, you might get lost in all these complex technical analysis tools. That's why we only recommend something that is easy to follow and proven to work. This premium indicator includes multiple features allowing you to analyze all aspects of price action. I personally like to use the 4-hour support and resistance levels along with these buy and sell signals. However, you can customize the indicator as you wish. Many traders prefer to use golden pockets, reversal bands, or even moving averages. This indicator is very convenient, as you don't have to add 3 or more different tools to the chart. You can use the free TradingView plan and still analyze price action like a professional. So, how do we use these two indicators to find accurate trade signals? For a long setup, we first look at the price action. It is proven that using indicators and price action methods together is a superior approach. The simplest yet most efficient way of analyzing the market is by identifying key levels first. Key levels are the prices of high demand and supply. Market participants place large orders around these prices, resulting in a trend change or correction. Drawing support and resistance levels manually is an exhausting task. That's why we use indicators instead. This multi-time frame tool allows us to see the key levels on higher time frames, which could be extremely useful. As we mentioned earlier, when the price approaches these levels and respects them, the chances of a trend reversal are very high. For long setups, we wait until the price drops to support. We check if the level has been respected previously. The more times it was respected, the better. The next step is to check the Heiken Ashi indicator for a valid buy signal. If such a signal is present, we analyze whether there is a buy signal printed on the chart. In this example, 2 buy signals were issued, a mild one and a strong one. Usually, we use mild signals to exit a position. Once we've inspected our indicators and the conditions for a buy trade are met, it's time to open a position. Place the stop loss below the support level and exit the trade once a mild sell signal is printed. By the way, traders, if you're looking to make passive income from trading, consider checking out Pionex. Currently, this is one of the top crypto exchanges in the world. It has 16 built-in trading bots and dozens of robotic trading strategies shared by other traders. You can simply copy their signals and start making money with minimal risk and trading experience. By the way, Pionex offers plenty of deposit bonuses depending on your trading volume. Click the first link in the comments and start earning with Pionex today. Let's return to our trading strategy. In the next example, the price struggles to break through this 4-hour resistance. This has already happened twice, so we can expect it to happen again. Next, we check the Heiken Ashi indicator for a sell signal. 2 signals were issued, but only the latest one is valid. Lastly, we check for a sell signal on the chart. We see 2 sell signals, a mild one and a strong one. All these indications give us a strong conviction that the market is about to reverse to the downside. So we open a short position and wait for an exit signal. Once it appears, we can take 50% of the profit and move the stop loss to break even. Once a second exit signal occurs, we close the position. Here's a similar trade. Watch how many times this resistance level was respected. It is obvious that sellers have plenty of orders sitting around this price. We inspect the Heiken Ashi indicator and see that multiple sell signals were given. However, we only consider the one that appeared at the same time with the strong sell signal on the chart. We place the stop loss above the resistance and follow the rest of the rules. If you wonder how to access this premium indicator, click the first link in the comments and sign up for Easy Algo membership. Besides this indicator, you will get 2 more premium tools that have been tested and proven to work for hundreds of traders like you. You will also get access to the private Discord community with unlimited support, profitable trading signals, and dozens of trading strategies. Join the Easy Algo family today and become a profitable trader 10 times faster.